Divisibility by 14. Rule: a number is divisible by 14 if it is divisible by both 2 and 7. This rule is similar to that of divisibility by 6, where a number must be divisible by both 2 and 3. Obviously, we have to consider only even numbers, as only they are divisible by 2. If this condition is met, we then proceed with the divisibility by 7 rule. For example, 1834 is divisible by 14 as it is an even number, it is divisible by 2 therefore, and 2 times 4 minus 183 equals minus 175, which is a number divisible by 7, as minus 175 divided by 7 equals minus 25. On the other hand, 7133 is not divisible by 14 as despite it is divisible by 7. 2 times 3 minus 713 equals minus 707, which when divided by 7 gives minus 101, it is an odd number and is not divisible by 2. Likewise, 4190 is not divisible by 14, as despite it is an even number, is divisible by 2 therefore, it is not divisible by 7 because 2 times 0 minus 419 equals minus 419. Again, 2 times 9 minus 41 equals minus 23, a number not divisible by 7. The proof, made using the calculator gives 1834 divided by 14 is equal to 131. 7133 divided by 14 is equal to 509.5, and 4190 divided by 14 is equal to 299.2857. These results confirm our solution. That is all for lesson 1.6.14. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.15, Divisibility by 15. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.